In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Shopify store and make it live for the world to see. Getting your online store up and running is a significant milestone, but it involves a few important steps to ensure everything is in place. Let's walk through them together, focusing on clarity and thoroughness to make this process as smooth as possible. First, you need to pick a Shopify plan and activate your subscription. If you're operating on a free trial, now is the time to choose a paid plan. It's essential to note that without selecting a plan, Shopify won't allow you to remove the password protection from your store, and consequently, you won't be able to publish it. So, ensure that you've chosen the plan that best suits your business needs before moving forward. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to publish your theme. Shopify gives you the flexibility to have multiple themes in your library, but you can only have one published or active theme, which is the one your visitors will see. Head over to your Shopify admin, navigate to the online store section, and then click on Themes. In the Theme Library section, find the theme you'd like to publish and click Publish. Alternatively, if you're editing the theme, you can also publish it directly from the theme editor. This step will ensure your store's design is visible to your visitors. Next, it's crucial to remove any password or disable store access restrictions. When you're setting up your store, Shopify often places a password page in front of it by default. To make your store visible to everyone, you'll need to remove this. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Preferences. Scroll down until you find the Store Access or Password Protection section. Here, you simply need to uncheck or disable the option that says Enable Password or Restrict Access to Visitors with Password. Don't forget to save your changes. Setting up your custom domain is optional but highly recommended. If you have a custom domain, like your store.com, you should connect it or purchase one through the online store section and then domains. Updating your DNS settings, specifically the A record and C name, if necessary, will also be part of this process. It's also a good idea to set your custom domain as the primary domain. This way, visitors don't get redirected to a myshopify.com address, making your store URL look more professional. Additionally, enable the option to redirect all traffic to this domain, ensuring a seamless visitor experience. Finally, conduct your final checks and testing. Visit your store using an incognito or private browser window to see how it looks to a visitor. Check all essential elements, such as navigation, product pages, checkout process, payment, and shipping options. Make sure there's no sign of the password page and that everything functions as expected. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now live and ready to welcome customers.